Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a Lego collab with
Prince JB, and we're collabing with
the Block Bros. Let's get to it. And the teams will be Declann and Prince JB. They're going to be over here. And then so this is where you got your Legos. And then this is where I will be. There's absolutely a wall. So let's get to it. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright. Okay, so as you can see, we have different teams. We have the Block Bros here, and I'm on your team. You ready to get started? Okay, and as you can see right here, before, okay, I don't want to look at him. So as you can see, we have a wall, and we have different Legos to choose from. Let's take out, put it into our room. Let's go.
Go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet.
Alright, so let's think. Alright, so let's think. What should my theme be? What should my What should my theme be? Wait, I think I'm gonna go for an iPhone. Alright, so we got a bunch of pieces here already. Let's see what we can do with these. This is my iPhone 17. Got messages. This used to be camera, wildlife, Amazon, Ninja app, YouTube settings, and just the like a drop. So I'm going to build an iPad actually. I can use these pieces. I don't think I really want to do another one. Is that the home button? Definitely this one. And definitely wildlife savings.
Good for this thing. This might work.
Gosh, this is hard. But never mind. Just do the messages.
So I'm gonna fast forward.
Alright, so we got all this done. This is my main start. I'm going to go find a base, so I'll see you when I find it. Alright, so we finally found a base that took like 10 minutes. This used to be my old trailer. We're gonna actually go for another item. Dude! JB! Dude!
Lego peanut somewhere.
Yeah, sure. Alright, so we finally found a base that took like 10 minutes. This used to be my old trailer. We're gonna actually go for another one. Dude! JB! Dude!
Lego peanut somewhere.
Yeah, sure, buddy, sure. So if you don't see it, this long blue piece, that's going to be our phone. Also, make sure to check out both videos on both channels. The link to Prince JB's channel will be in the description. if you want more collabs with more YouTubers, click that like button, and we are trying to hit 100 subscribers before the end of 2026. So if you would be sure to click that, like, the subscribe button, join the crew, it would mean a lot to us. Alright, so we got a solid base. It's pretty wide. This is my old base. I can maybe connect them and make an iPad. Yeah, I'll connect them. Alright, let's see. Let's connect them. Of course, I have to connect them because this is an iPad. So the Apple logo has to look good. Okay, we'll put the lens up here. How you doing over there?
Good.
Yeah, I doubt that. How much progress have you made on your build?
Good amount.
In percent.
In percent?
Yeah, how much percent would you say?
I would say
you've
like 10.
You're 10%? I would say I'm about 15, 20. Yo, chill. Yo, look what these guys are doing.
Over the wall. Here, actually, how about if at the end of this video, maybe we can break down that wall. Like, for the person who wins, they get to push it down. Yeah. Okay, so.
And prancing in Jingle Bell Square, in the frosty air. What a bright time! It's the right time to rock.
So this is what we have. It is a tie-dye sprayed thing. I don't know what it is
To go gliding
or where
in the
this came
one-horse
from.
sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet.
How can I make that?
What?
Do this. So I think on Apple iPad there are the logos aren't directly in the video, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, I'm gonna
Camera board. I'm gonna go have a look. Alright, so I can't find anything too hopeful, but chill! This, I mean, that's not the worst Apple logo. It's not the best though. Alright, now I need to take off these old apps on my old phone. Alright, I need a new brick separator. I'm gonna go raid the other team for one. Yo, chill! Thank you. How is that cheating? Yeah, sure.
Okay, we.
good.
Okay, I'm gonna camera for
I'm gonna go find one. Alright, so I don't really find anything too hopeful, but chill!
And this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually. So if our
I mean, that's
time's
not
running
the
out,
worst Apple logo. It's not the best though.
make the mundane
Alright, now I need to take off these old apps on my
oh my love.
Right, I need a new brick separator. I'm gonna go team form.
Go chill!
On the edge of your knife, stay and
Hey, another brick
the angels up in the clouds.
Oh,
A jealous love we found something so out of the ordinary.
Thank you.
You got me kissing
How
the
is that
ground
cheating?
of your sanctuary.
He would never
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Guys, take a good look at that build, okay? So let's keep taking off. I just said that was these pieces. For their build is fighting. And obviously my thing is electronics. Oh crap, no, that just broke. Alright, well, I have to do it the old fashioned way then. But taking it off one by one. Alright, there's the Ninja app.
They say the holy water's watered down.
There's YouTube.
This town's
Now
lost
we
its
just have to put
faith.
this thing.
Our colors will fade eventually. So if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane a masterpiece.
The apple.
Oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your knife,
Let's put
staying
this
drunk on your vine.
button.
The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shining.
Right there. I can hear them. They're panicking.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, sliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet.
Ninja. I'll see you when I find something for my camera.
They say the holy water's watered down. This town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually. So if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane a masterpiece. Oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary.
Why?
You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shining.
Wait, are y'all?
No, we're homeschooled.
Yeah, true. Do you guys have school on Saturday?
Alright, so this won't work, but this is something, so I need to go find pebble stud pieces. So I'll see you when I find some. Alright, so I found batteries or pieces, but I don't say another set. Maybe I need to make a stand. Yeah, I'm gonna go make a stand. I'll see you when I find a start of pieces. Alright, I'm back. I got all the pieces for at least the start of what our stand is. So this used to be my old trailer. I used to tow it on the cars, something like that. Let's see. I'm gonna use this bag. This. I don't really care about the color. You just need to work the colors.
Yeah.
It's okay, I got something going.
I'm
we'll
gonna
just
start editing the video.
already.
Well, a little bit of it because, like, yeah. I'll be over here.
Yo, dude, we have to do the outro and stuff.
I know, yeah. I'm just gonna be editing the first part.
Already.
It's JB and we're collabing with Collab.
So let's see how it's going. Okay, it's going good. We just need a little stand. So, perfect. Just need that a little bit higher. It can go like that. Boom. Boom. Look at it. It's beautiful. Perfect. I wonder what I can use this for. I don't know if I'm cooking or not. I'm just really free rolling.
Are you cooking?
Yo, chill!
Not so much.
Yo guys, look. Prince JB is already editing the video. He's already editing. It's crazy. So I have no clue what I can use this for. Wait. That's a good idea. A collapsible stand. So you have your normal, boring old stand, like that. But then, I need to somehow make this a collapsible stand. So here's what I'm gonna do here. I'm going to take this orange piece, attach it like, I need the other one. Now where is it? Down here? Oh, there it is. Got the other one. There we go. to take out, it's turning the pad, so I need to take out that piece. There should be no problem. I just need to replace it with a normal, ordinary brick. So I just need a 2x2. That should be easy to find. I'll come back when I find it. Okay, so I'm back. Found one. And then that fits perfectly. Just put that back on top, and then our problem should be solved. So now we have this random thing. Ow. Let's not use my fingers. Okay, now we are put that on. This should theoretically hold my pad. We need more support because this is just too easy. Now like something small like that. This is tough. Oh wait, I just realized we already have accomplished our mission. I thought we can go like this, not like that. I mean, we could have gone this way, where we have it like this, and then like this. No. I was going for this, where these holders, slide it in, and then I thought it would hold, but it just comes out way too easy. Unless you have it like that. Take the pin out, it falls. But I just realized we can flip it over and then already have it. All we have to do now is just convert the orange things till we have it like this. Now, we just put the pad here. Oh, never mind. So no orange things. But we already have our beautiful hated stand. Alright, so now I think I'm done. Not one, but 2 stands. Just take a look at Prince JB editing. Still on it.
You guys do it.
So I think I am done. Now, let's go see and do the final reveal with everyone. Hey, Deck, are you done?
Yeah, I think we're done.
Prince JB, you done?
Yeah.
Alright. So let's just take all of our pieces that we didn't use and salvage them, which means trash them in the bin of doom. So let's grab them real quick and put them in, and then I'll see you when it's done. Alright, so we finished and we have our tablet right here. iPhone 17 tablet, if that's even real, or apps. YouTube, wildlife settings, Ford car, camera, messages, Amazon, Ninja app, like eating app, a cool tech laser app, this nuclear bomb app, and then the home screen, power, Apple logo, 17. And then we have our stand. It works good. And then we also have our portable stand, so which means like our stand that you can take with you to somewhere if you're even going somewhere. Just to fix this real quick so it's easier. Alright. And then we are going to like that, and that's your portable stand. So I think I did a pretty good job, but they could have done better. So let's see for the final reviews. Alright, so we finished our builds, right?
And
You
we're
guys
all
finished?
gonna rate the others.
Yep, we're all gonna rate each other's builds, but we have to rate it fair, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
But
Alright,
if
so
the builds suck, you have to give them. If these suck so bad, you have to give them a 1 out of 10.
alright, so let's start with them because it is a 2v1 here. So let's start with Prince JB
come on,
and
come
my
on.
brother Declann.
Okay. So I have a battlefield, and we have the meta guys, so they basically like fight each other. And we have here. Wait, I'm gonna.
Look at the mech. Bro's getting tortured.
Yeah, and we have like people dead here,
Look.
as you can see.
Oh, dude, Brendan, knock us down. Bro's just doing that.
Ooh,
And then this guy just shredded that guy into skeleton, bro.
that's detail. Alright, I see you got a happy birthday cake for a kitty and a bunny.
And police, and a guy that's so dumb that bro doesn't know how to build a car. Bro doesn't have wheels.
Alright, and I can see there's some really detail when it comes to the controls here. See, we got a full netherite and a blackstone warrior. I can see a lot of detail that comes to this build. Is this part of the build?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well, with all of your hard work, I think I'm going to give you guys an 8.9. I just can't do a 9.
Okay.
Sorry. Alright, now let's go over to the champions build. Okay, and the unpause.
This is gonna fall before it ends.
Alright, so we have my iPad here. It's a Apple iPad. So you can see we have YouTube, wildlife, savings, settings, a Ford like auto app, you know, because you can like start your cars these days from now apps.
You took
And then
all this time for
Ninja app, Amazon, messages, camera,
Who took all
Um,
this time for this?
eating app.
You
So
could
like,
have way more.
so like, so like fast food,
What the heck is this?
super technology.
What is this? Get this out
Uh,
of here.
Declann, that's part of the build.
What is it?
I'll show you, and then you can see right there if you can zoom in. It's like a super technology app. So like nuclear bombs.
Like next level
And
technology.
then this is the power thing. I got creative with it. Will you please freaking stop?
That thing
And then
doesn't
look,
like
look.
anything.
Look, so this is the power. You just push it, and then that's how it comes on.
Fine thing.
And then that's just for detail over there. This is a portable stand that I made. So you go like this, and then you can put your iPad in. And then this is the normal stand that I built. It's very flush with the iPad, and you can customize this however you want. But this is basically it. So, what would you guys rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give it like a 7.3 out of 10.
But what you rate it also adds up to that.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Adds up?
Yeah.
No. Give it a 1.
Okay,
Give it
I'm
a 1.
thinking.
No.
But
Dude,
you also have
no,
to
I
think-
changed my answer.
You can't.
No,
Declan,
please.
no, you can't just do it because you agreed.
What is that?
Because you agreed that you have to judge fairly. That's what you
give me
agreed
a
to.
chance, bro.
Okay, you can either say.
I have to think about it.
Okay. I'm gonna have to go because I like all the work that you put into these, but
I mean, portable stands. You got a normal stand. Crap. That was silly.
I don't really understand this.
No, that's just for detail because most YouTube videos they have like detail in the background or something. Not for, no, seriously. Watch Brick Science. He has Iron Man.
Yeah, what's the worst brick YouTuber in the world?
Okay, so I'm gonna have to rate this since our vote is combined.
Don't watch Brick Science.
I'm gonna give it a
he's so
5
bad.
because both of our votes are combined. Now your turn.
Brick Science sucks, you know. Give me my hand.
What would you rate it? I gave it a 5.
You have to rate it fairly.
If I give it another 5, it would be a 10. So I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna give it a 4.1.
I take the dub.
Yeah.
No, wait, no.
No, no, no.
4.
No,
I
you
still
said
take
it.
the dub.
You said it.
Let's go. I take the dub.
I
Let's
actually
go.
hate this build so much, bro. Why did I do that? I should have.
None
There
for
you go.
one. Let's go. We win. All right.
I put so.
Huge thanks to Prince JB for being in this video, and huge thanks.
I don't
for
like
my-
Odin's build.
Huge thanks for my brother, so I can show him to his head up close, just like that.
Look at my eye. You better see the Mario movie too. It's awesome.
The back rooms. Okay.
So huge shout out to Prince JB for being in this video, and now we shall knock this whole wall down.
Yeah.
Not that way though, cause that's my build. Ready? No. All right.
Wait, you guys go on that side. You guys go on that side.
Okay,
I'll push.
hold on. Declan, can you film it?
Pause, pause.
Let's
Wait,
do
wait.
this.
Wait, pause. Okay.
Alright.
Wait, make sure you get everything.
Yeah.
Like, everything.
Yeah, I'll get everything.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
It didn't break apart.
Let's jump on it!